Okay, we're going to solve this system of equations by using the substitution method. We have y equals x minus 4 over 4x minus 6y equals negative 16. Okay, you can solve for any variable that you want. I can solve for instance, I can solve for this x, I can solve for this y. That's fine. The thing is, if it's not by itself, and you solve for this x, for example, because you have that negative 4 in front of it, you're going to have to divide by it. You're going to end up with fractions. So we ideally would not have to deal with that. Same thing with this y. You could do that, but you're going to have fractions when you divide by negative 6. So my money would be solving for this x because it's by itself. Or this y, especially because it's already y equals to something. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the fact that I have y equals x minus 4. And I'm doing this specifically because it is by itself. Now, whenever you do substitution, you're going to plug it into the other equation. Okay, so this is from the first equation, so I'm going to put it into the second equation. My second equation is the 4x minus 6y equals negative 16. So I'm gonna put this in for the y. What am I putting in for the y? The x minus 4. Why am I putting the x minus 4? Because x minus 4 is exactly equal to y. Okay, it is y. So here, my paper is going to stop moving. I'm going to have 4x minus 6 times x minus 4 equals negative 16. The only variable here is x, so I can solve for it. Okay, let's distribute. So negative 6x plus 24 equals negative 16. Combine your like terms. 4x minus 6x is negative 2x plus 24 equals negative 16. Okay, we're going to isolate the x, get the x by itself. So let's subtract 24 on both sides. I'm going to have negative 2x equals negative 16 minus 24 is negative 40 divided by negative 2. We're going to end up with x equals 20. Awesome. Awesome. Well, we're only halfway to our goal, which is the solution. Your solution is going to be a point. Okay, so now you need the y. Well, how am I going to solve for y? Well, remember, way up here, you have y. Y is x minus 4. So I'm just going to come down way over here, and I'm just going to say, okay, y equals x minus 4. Well, now I know what the x is. It's 20, so I'm just going to plug it in. 20 minus 4 is 16. So our solution is that those x and y together, it's going to be 20 comma 16, and that is your solution. Alrighty. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.